Hello, thank you for taking the time to watch our second informational video about the upcoming April 3rd operational referendum. As a reminder, our operational referendum on April 3rd is for $1 million a year for 4 years. And this is due to the fact that our current $1.3 million levy override expires at the end of this school year. One of the biggest things we often get questions about is the idea of the tax impact of an operational referendum, and so we wanted to share with you kind of a longer vision of taxation since our last referendum. Going back over to here, this chart is in our flyer that's also sent out. This goes to the 2015-16 school year. And this shows the mill rate, in other words, the tax per $1,000 worth of property value at 10.87. This would have been with the $1.3 million in place, but prior to the new elementary school referendum. In April of 2016, we then had the referendum for the new Ellsworth Elementary School. And we saw in 2016-17, with the passage of that referendum, the mill rate go to 11.56. In other words, a $69 increase on a $100,000 home. If you remember, this was, at the time, we felt that in a worst case scenario, we would see about $120 per $100,000 home. Instead, we only saw $69 due to, one, property value increases in our district, and number two, due to a lot lower interest rates, it saved us about $7 million in interest costs over the life of the 20-year bonding. This year then, the current year 2017-18 school year, residents actually saw a tax decrease of $83. So this year our mill rate is 10.73, and as a reminder, during the referendum we said that the largest tax impact would be the first year of the referendum, knowing that we had debt going off the books the second year. In other words, we now fully have paid off the middle school project and the high school addition back in 2000. So again, a taxpayer saw an $83 decrease. So actually the mill rate today is lower than before the passing of the new elementary school. We then, this year, with the new operational referendum coming into place, are projecting a $7 increase. So the mill rate projected for next year is at 10.80. And again, a $7 increase following an $83 decrease to give more of that longer term vision. This is the last step in this division that we've had to keep taxes as level as we possibly can to address our building needs and our operational needs. So again, on April 3rd, the referendum, operational referendum to exceed the revenue limit by $1 million a year for 4 years. More information is on our website. We also have our Facebook, in which we're putting a lot of information out. I encourage you to get more and more information on there, and our referendum flyer that is out. So again, thank you for taking the time. We'll have one more referendum informational video coming out in about the next 10 days to 2 weeks. Thank you, and again, vote April 3rd.